Now, there've been roadworks across the country, and some business operators have been asking for compensation, but a particular group is getting an answer this evening. Herman?
That's right, Archie. The finance minister actually responded to Barbican business operators. Welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Well, there will be no compensation for Barbican businesses which were affected by roadworks in the area last year. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark addressed the issue while speaking at Mayberry's monthly investor forum last Wednesday. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
Due to the road construction that has been going on in certain places, many businesses cannot work due to it for over a year now, and nothing has been said. I'm asking you, is it in the budget this year to compensate them for what has been done?
And from the finance minister, a diplomatic response.
If your business has the long-term fortune and the short-term pain of being along a corridor in which the government is investing billions of dollars to rehabilitate, I'm not sure who should pay who. The land values alone. So, but let me not make light of your concern. Let me acknowledge that, yes, has been a lot of short-term pain. And we have to make trade-offs. We are not going to move forward without trade-offs.
Dr. Clark says the most the government can do is repair properties and infrastructure which were damaged during the road construction.
Invariably, there is a cost. And the cost in this case is that it has inconvenienced a lot of people and a lot of businesses, for sure. And the government has been making, where it is justified to do so, dealing with, if something is, they've broken up a main or broken phone wires, they've been repairing them and so forth.
The minister stressed that an increased allocation have been made in the second revision of the budget to bring the repairs to completion. But as it relates to direct compensation for business lost during the construction, firms are being told that option is not on the table. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The Jamaican dollar slipped a bit more in currency trading today. Let's look at the numbers. The US dollar ended the day trading at $131. The Canadian dollar is now at $100.55. The pound sterling, that's at $168.60, while the euro is now at $151.86. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in March went up by 5 cents to settle at $54.22 a barrel. The JSE index lost 1,771 points, while the junior market index is down by 18 points. Among the winners today were JMMB Group, SSL Venture Capital, Siboney Group, Main Event Entertainment Group, and Derrimon Trading. On the losing side were Berger Paints, Pulse Investments, Lasco Manufacturing, CAC 2000, and Consolidated Bakeries. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.